Hello, welcome to Code by Moonlight. So this time we are not going to be coding, we are going to be building a very fast macOS application, right? This is literally like the quickest application you can build on macOS. Okay, let me stop the goofing. So actually we are going to be using Automator. It's a built-in utility in macOS and we can easily write utility apps for ourselves or build workflows. So we are going to build a very simple utility macOS app and I call it quit all applications. I like this one so much because what it basically does is when you click on it, it quits all the application you have running in the background, and you have the option of making sure you don't lose your files by asking for confirmations for unsaved files. You can also exclude certain apps from this whole process. To do that, I'm just going to click on Launchpad and we want to search for we want to go to other category. Usually this guy is called Automator. It has this man shape. Most times I just like to search for it Automator, right? And when you click on it, you're presented with this dialog, right? So I'm just going to click on applications and I'm going to say new documents, and we're going to have like a basic workflow. Okay, so when you're presented with this dialog, what do we want to do? We can open an existing document if we're working, we can create a workflow, calendar stuff, folder actions. So basically you want to run some things on your folder. There's a lot we can do, but let's focus. We want to create a simple application, and I'm going to click on choose. So what kind of application I want to do? There's a long list. You can apply SQL, you can do a lot of things. So I'm just going to search for applications, right? I told you we are going to build this application very fast. And this one says quit all applications. So I'm just going to drag it to the board. And I'm going to say ask to save changes. So this time I don't want to accidentally lose open panels or open applications I was working on that have pending changes. Maybe I was writing code or I was typing some document and I haven't saved. I just don't want to quit it without saving. We could be having a little party. So let's say we are listening to some music. I actually want to quit the applications, but it will be very awful to just let the music go off. So I'm going to exclude my music application. I use Spotify. That's just it. I don't think there's any other thing I want to exclude. I wouldn't want to quit all my applications if I were to be in a Zoom meeting or writing code. Maybe I'm done. Good. So we are almost done. What left is we just click on save, and I'm going to put it in the application folder. I'm going to give it a name, say quit all applications. Okay, now I'm going to click on save. So if I go to my file explorer and then I click on applications, I'm going to see there and I can click on it. I can even close this. We can also go to the application launcher, and then if we search here, we have it. So when I click on it, I'm going to open VS Code. Let's see it. I'm going to open what else? I'm going to open App Store. It should work. MongoDB, Compass, Postman. And let's test our application, right? That's on you. So if I click on quit all application, let's see what happens. Does it work? Oh, I have some applications working now. So let's try again. So it's showing it's not letting me, and that's because I'm currently recording, right? And remember, we enabled it to not make us lose our files, right? So it wants me to finish recording before it wants me to save all my changes. So yeah, that's why it didn't work. And there's definitely no way I can show you this, but just trust me, it works. So I'm just gonna safely quit my recording, and all the applications I open will just go off. So that's what I have for you. It's a very nice utility, right? And I also like this fact that it's very safe. If I were to have music playing on the background with Spotify, it wouldn't quit that, but it would quit everything. Just so sad I can't show you that. I'll find a way, but try it. It works for you. You can leave a comment. And guys, I really want to thank you for following me. My followers are increasing, and I'm very happy. I need more. I want to get to 1,000 followers. Please help me share my videos. I'm going to do more. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm just going to say no so I can.